Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're gonna do our Letters to Santa collab and our month ahead. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start on the Letters to Santa collab. This is hosted by Budget with Amanda. I have $50, and we're gonna do just like we do our normal randomizer. We're gonna start at challenge number 4, and we're going to roll a d4, and it's going to tell us how many bills we're going to put in each challenge. And we'll go ahead and get started. So happy Friday, everyone. I hope everyone had a great week. We are trying to stay positive, get ready for Christmas, because it's been pretty stressful the past few days for me, I know. Especially with the holidays coming up and trying to make sure everything is prepared and ready to go. Make sure that Santa comes on time, you know, all the fun parenting things. And we're also trying to plan for our next year to see what kind of money goals that we want to accomplish. So, yes, tell me what is everybody's plans for the weekend. I think that we are going to try to get everything cleaned up, or try to get everything ready for Christmas. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we have $3 left. Let's see. We got 2, and then 1 for challenge number 5. After December, I'm going to pull all of these so that way we can do some different challenges. I have some different ideas of what I want to do. Money may be a little different next year, especially with depending on how well my sales are on Etsy. So this first challenge here is from Tour's Cash Corner. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're definitely going to finish this one up. And that's 1, 2, and 3. And so yeah, that should be $15 for this one. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Awesome. And that one's going to go to our debt. Fantastic. And then this one I made, each stamp is $2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can cross off 2. And we'll have 1 rollover. So we'll see how much we can get done before the end of December for these. And then anything that I haven't touched, I'm gonna put into my, anything that I haven't touched are gonna go into my 50 mini challenges. I'm gonna do kind of like the 100 challenge, the 100 minis challenge, but I'm gonna do 50 because I'm gonna also do the 100 tinies challenge. So, because I like to overwhelm myself and do too much. All right, so this one is Budget with Amanda, and we saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and $11. So this one just needs 7 to finish, and this should save us $50. So let's go ahead and get that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and this $2 goes with that one. So let's count it up. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And this one is going to go to our month ahead. Awesome. So we will get that. Make sure we get that reallocated for the next month. All right. And so we are on this one, and we have 1, 2, 3, and $4. All right. So we can cross off that 4. And challenge number 3 is our Plinko from, let's see, it's from Weekly Budgets Co, I believe. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this a few times. Maybe. All right, 5 and a 1 and 2 3, and 6. Awesome. So that is we are done with number 6. So that's a $1. And 4, 5, 4, 1, and 4. That's $3. Okay. We're done with that one. 1, 2, and 3. So we just have a few more left to go. And then I'll be excited to see how much this saves us. Because we have landed on the extras a few times, the little mice a few times. And then 5. And 5. And 4 we already did. So let's try again. 3. Okay. And that is 1 more. Okay, we have, honestly, we have 2, and so we have, let's just go ahead. Well, no, I want to see if we get any of these extras. I'm sorry. If you can go ahead and fast forward if you want. And then a 1 and a 6 and a 6 and a 6. Even though my budget isn't the biggest, I like to try to save as much as I can. So yes, I mean, I could just put this all in there, but that would be, where would the fun be in that? We haven't gotten an extra. Oh, there we go. We got an extra 1 and 2, and then really we need 2, so that's going to be $2. And that is it for that one. So we just need to play this one more time and it will be done. And that one is going to go to month ahead too. So yeah, I definitely want to have as much in there saved as I can. So far we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, and yeah, that was from weekly budgets. And challenge number 4 is from Doodle Dollars, and right now we're saving this 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can do 2, 4, 6, and 7. And altogether we have saved so far 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and $17. And this one is going to go to clothes, because I am definitely going to need to probably buy some clothes for when it's time for me to transition out of the military, because I just wear my uniform and pajamas and gym clothes, really. All right, so Agape Book Club. Sorry, that was terrible. So we have this like roll and race kind of thing from Agape Book Club. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. So instead of rolling the dice, we're just gonna put in the 6. Just save what we can until we pull it. So far we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and $13. And that one is going to month ahead. All right, and our last challenge of the day is also from Weekly Budgets Co. And we have saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And each of these is 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Awesome. And we have that extra $1 that didn't go anywhere. So this should be $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $10. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in with Doodle Dollars. So since she has some 1s on hers, where is it? There it is. And then maybe we'll be able to finish this one up next week. That would be awesome. All right, and we're gonna go ahead with our month ahead binder. I just started this, I've been kind of working on it a little bit as I can. So this will probably not be in every week stuffing, even though I want it to be. I have money that we randomized from November that we're going to put in. But first I am going to add in our normal $54 a week since I had the money. So I have this broken up. So we have our first 4 categories fully funded. So our phone bill is going to get $30, and then each one after that is going to get a 5 and a 1, so $6 each. That's just kind of what I decided with my budget that I can do most of the time. So we'll go ahead and fill those out. Let's go ahead, and then I'm going to, instead of filling this out twice, we're going to go, and this is $277. So I'm just going to put one bill on each envelope until we are out of money. I think that was the best way for me to feel good about randomizing everything. Okay, now we can go ahead and get started. So for our phone bill, we are adding in a good chunk of money. I love to see it. All right, so we are adding in 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, and $90. That is awesome. So that's going to get us a good chunk of the way completed. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So 163. Yes. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Yeah, okay. Divided by 4. We're going to have 40 icons that we can color in. Oh my goodness. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, math. Hold on. Let's go with, what is our next one? It's going to be yellow. So we have 6, 12, 18. That is, oh my gosh, that's amazing. That means we are so close to that being done. I love that. And then for our mortgage payment, this is our portion, my portion of the mortgage payment. Today we're going to add in 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, $66. So let's see what we have in total. In total, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So 139 divided by 10 is 13. So we have 13 icons. We have 1, 5, 10. Okay. Nope, and I almost went a little crazy. All right. And if you are interested in this month ahead, I am putting it up on my coffee. So that way you guys have it. I added a couple extra categories because obviously I don't use all of the categories. But it will be on my coffee for free. So we are adding today to our debt payments 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, $61. So hopefully by the time I do retire, this will not need to be as high. And I don't remember what I just said that we had. 60, 80, 90, wait, no, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So 125 divided by 17. We're going to have 7 icons that we can color in, or that we will have colored in. So we're at 4. And I did put, when I remade, or I didn't remade, I went edit and I put the number of icons down at the bottom for each envelope, so that way, or each category, so that way you don't have to sit there and count them all the time. And then for our loan payment, we are adding in all right, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, and $57. So in total, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So 121 divided by 18, nope, 18 is 6, so we can have 6 icons colored in. We're at 3, so we can do 3 more. Okay, and then our last category here is our miscellaneous, and this is just for, you know, just to have a little extra. And we are putting in 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, and 57. It has no real, like, nothing that it's going to. It's just miscellaneous in case, you know, you never know. So let's see. Altogether, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So 120 divided by 6. Oh, we can have 20 icons colored in. So we can do 10. I will go ahead and fast forward. All right, and that is it. I do have, let's see. So I got out my high yield slips for our fully funded categories. I did add a fully funded slips to this, so that way it comes in the listing. So what I'm going to do instead, so I don't have to print it all out again, I'm just going to put in our $60. This is really going to be, it's all going to go in one bucket, but we're just going to leave these in here like that, and then that way it will not be so bulky, and this money can sit in our high yield. And oh my goodness, I just marked all over my hand. That way we can earn interest on it, because hopefully we will not need this, but I'm going to save it just in case. You know, the civilian job market is unknown to me. So I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know how difficult it is going to be to find a job. So I want to have a little buffer saved in case I need it for any reason. And I don't know how long it will take. I don't know how long of a gap I will have between like my last active duty paycheck and then my retirement check. So that is always, obviously I've never been through that, so I don't know, and I know it can vary sometimes. But we have 4 categories fully funded. We are almost done with our phone category, so that is very exciting. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.